Whammy strikes again. We are the Whammies and we take all your money and we think that it's funny. Moron. Dub-a-dub-dub, there's no money in your tub. Huh? The water's cold, I swear. Taking your money is magical. Hey, dummy. Yes? Not you. The dummy who just lost all their money. Who's the dummy now, dummy? Don't quit on me now, money! Strike first! Strike hard! No money!
Put him in a body bag!
Look! It's Whammy Poppins! Supercalifragilistic, give me all your money! I wonder where your money is, 'cause you don't have any! You're muted. Oh, sorry. The only thing more awkward than this meeting is trying to take your money when you don't have any.